You've probably used plenty of AI tools like ChatGPT by now. You ask a question, you get a response. These days, an exceptionally good response if you ask the right questions. So you already know it's genuinely powerful for a huge range of tasks. Microsoft 365 Copilot works in a similar way, but there's one fundamental difference. Copilot is actually connected to your work. Let me show you what I mean. I'll start with something simple. I'll ask Copilot, when is my next meeting? And straight away, it's looking through my Outlook calendar, finding my next meeting, and telling me when it is, who it's with, and what it's about. Now, let me push it a bit further. I'll ask, what should I know before this meeting? Copilot will go and pull any relevant information it finds to answer that question. It might search through my emails, look through my previous notes, find shared documents related to this meeting, and pull together a summary. I didn't need to upload anything or tell it where to look. Other AI tools might be able to connect to your calendar or read a specific document, but Copilot is connected to your entire work environment at once. Your emails, calendar, team chats, files, meeting transcripts, and it can pull across all of them in a single response. So it's not just checking one app, it's searching across everything to find what was relevant. This is the most important concept to understand about Copilot, and it's called grounding. In fact, the best way to understand this is to try it for yourself. So go ahead and open Copilot Chat right now and ask it a question about your work. You could try something like, what do I have on this week? Or what's the latest on a project you've been working on? Or ask something about what a specific person sent you recently. Anything where you'd normally have to dig through your calendar, emails, or Teams to find the answer. Under the hood, Copilot is using the same AI models that power tools like ChatGPT, so the raw intelligence is the same. The difference is what it can do with that intelligence. Because Copilot is connected to your work data, it has context that a standalone chatbot simply doesn't have. That's what makes it so much more useful for real work. Copilot isn't designed to be a smarter chatbot. It's designed to be a co-pilot to your actual work. It knows about you, your organization, and what you're working on. And that's what makes it different. There are really two layers to this. First, Copilot lives inside your apps. And when it's there, it can already see what you're working on and helps you directly edit your documents. If you're in an Excel spreadsheet, Copilot can see that data. It understands the columns, the rows, and what you're working with. And it's the same in Word and PowerPoint. You don't have to explain what you're looking at or copy paste between apps. It already has that context and can edit directly. We'll cover exactly how this works and how to use it effectively in a later chapter. Second, Copilot knows your organization. Even when you're not inside a specific app, Copilot can search across your emails, calendar, Teams conversations, and files on SharePoint and OneDrive, and meeting transcripts to find what you need. This is powered by something called Microsoft Graph, which is essentially the layer that connects all of your Microsoft 365 data together. You don't need to remember that name. Just know that Copilot can reach across your entire work environment to find relevant information. So when you ask, when is my next meeting, it can check your calendar. Or when you ask, what did Sarah send me about the Henderson project, it can search your email and Teams chats. When you ask, summarize the latest version of the Q3 report, it will find the document and read it. All of this is possible because Copilot is grounded in your work data. This is the concept that is core to understanding Copilot, and we'll build on it for the rest of the course.